National President Pamela, National Representative Victoria, IIW Board Director Zenaida, Innerville Foundation President Lourdes, Council of Philippines Past Presidents, Council of Philippines Foundation Past Presidents, District Chairman, Club Presidents and members of the Innerville Clubs of Philippines. Heartiest congratulations and felicitations to President Pamela, National Representative Victoria and your team as you take over the mantle of leadership of the Innerville Clubs of Philippines for the year 2021. I am confident that you will lead the change for a better, brighter and happier Innerville world. And the clubs will also perform excellently during your year under your able leadership. I convey my congratulations to the outgoing President Amelia and the National Representative Raelina and their team for a very good and successful year that they have given to all the clubs in Philippines. We appreciate your endeavors and we hope that you will continue to support Pamela and Victoria in their Innerville theme, Lead the Change. It is indeed a matter of privilege and honor to be elected as leader at any level in Innerville, be it club, district, national or international. Friends, change in leadership is not change. Change is not just change of guards, but change is in our thinking, in our working, in our behavior, in our beliefs, in our preconceived notions of people, in our managing people, in our interpersonal relations, in our communication, in our attitudes, and in our approach to Innerville. Change in any system brings progress. So it is left to all we leaders at all levels who need to bring about positive changes. I am very pleased to inform you all today that the IIW theme for the year 2021 is Lead the Change. The theme logo shows Innerville occupying a prominent place in the world map, and an Innerville member is showing with her hand how Innerville is encompassing the world. The IIW theme and logo are in keeping with the fact that Innerville is the third largest organization in the world in 103 countries, the first being Rotary International in 230 countries and the United Nations in 190 plus countries. Friends, I have introduced a few changes this year, and I am very sure you will all love to accept these changes and bring about changes in your own countries, in your own clubs, in your own districts, and that will prove to be a very significant step forward for all of us. The first change is that I have given seven very good goals to all clubs in the world. The goals are easy, simple, achievable, not involving any cost, and applicable to the whole world. Friends, can you imagine that when all the clubs achieve extraordinary results, the impact will be prominently visible and noticeable. This will demonstrate our solidarity in addressing the issues of the world and also build our much needed brand image of Innerville in our towns, in our communities, in our cities and in the world. The first goal is increase membership, to increase 5 members per club. Second is to make many more new generation clubs in the age group of 18 to 25. As you all know, friends, Innerville is represented in the United Nations in the Committee on the Status of women and girls. We are on a consultative committee there, on a consultative status in the United Nations. And I have observed that since years, United Nations is giving plenty of recommendations to the NGOs in the whole world to work in close cooperation with the United Nations and help and support them in executing their programs. So, my second most important change is that I have incorporated 3 of the major important recommendations of the United Nations as goals for all the clubs. So, the remaining 3 goals are: 1. Youth development programs. 2. Women development and retention programs, and making them more and more empowered so that they can face the world financially. 3rd is caring for senior citizens. If these 3 projects are done by all the clubs in the world, what a wonderful, significant impact we can make. I hope you all understand, my dear friends. And the last goal is also a recommendation given by the United Nations. This is on water and sanitation. In this project, this is a corporate project that I have given to the whole world. In this project, clubs can implement on their own, in their own towns, in their own communities and remote areas, in their villages, and also they can work in collaboration with clubs in other countries. Friends, the third major change that I have tried to bring about this year is to provide leadership development training programs for all the association presidents and the national representatives in the world. And I am very glad to inform you, friends, that from July 13th to 18th, this program is going to be given to all these leaders of the world in a very intensive 1-week program. I'm very sure that all these leaders who will take the training program will percolate it down to the district chairman, and they in turn to all the clubs in Philippines also. But friends, can you imagine that already an epoch-making historical change has descended on us unknowingly? And that is, we have started using the Zoom technology, video conferencing, to the best of our advantage. Innerville members are always very accommodating to any change in the world, and this is a classic example of accommodating ourselves to modern technology. I am confident, friends, that our clubs will not only achieve the goals, but will also perform for a record-breaking year. Engage yourself, friends, in achieving the goals given to you with happiness and focused work and a lot of pride in your minds for achieving these goals. Friends, change offers new opportunities, new horizon, and new lead to progress. With courage, goodwill, harmony, and leadership at heart, we can touch humanity. Dear friends, our 1 year of spectacular achievements can become a giant leap for our organization. The world is waiting for us all, friends, to lead the change with determination, with sensitivity, with love, affection, care, modesty, and humility. So let's embark on this wonderful mission, lead the change. Thank you so much, friends, for inviting me today and being with you today in this installation function of the National President and the National Representative. Thank you once and for all.